TurbiPi.
I'm here.
Spin clockwise in place, then move forward for 2 seconds. Stop, turn on the red light, and finish with a drifting spin.
A dizzy spin, then zooming ahead. Red like a stop signal, but watch me drift.
TurbiPi.
I'm here.
What animals do you see ahead? If you spot both carnivores and herbivores together, sound the alarm.
Be careful, there are carnivores and herbivores together in front of you, which is dangerous. Remind what animals to stay away.
TurbiPi.
I'm here.
Track the color that looks like a leaf.
Color identified as leaf-like. Engaging tracker.
TurbiPi.
I'm here.
Keep moving forward, but if there's an obstacle within 20 centimeters, stop and turn right.
Obstacle avoidance completed.
TurbiPi.
I'm here.
Follow the black line and speed ahead like you're racing.
Black line detected. Let's race.
TurbiPi.
I'm here.
Look ahead and tell me what you see.
The image shows a collection of small objects arranged on a flat surface. Here's a description of each item. 1. Windmill mode. A small white windmill model is positioned on the left side. 2. Astronaut figure. A small figurine of an astronaut is placed behind a white sign. The astronaut appears to be in a floating or jumping pose. 3. High wonder sign. A white sign with the word High Wonder written on it is displayed prominently in the center. 4. Soccer ball. A small red and black soccer ball is placed to the left of the sign. 5. Eiffel Tower model. A small black model of the Eiffel Tower is positioned on the right side. 6. Rubber duck. A small yellow rubber duck is placed in front of the Eiffel Tower model. The background is dark, which makes the object stand out more prominently. The arrangement seems to be a playful setup featuring various elements that might represent travel, adventure, or different countries and cultures.